Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
So, in my opinion, every kitchen needs a great salad spinner. And I have found just that with this MYTASUY Salad Spinner. We love to eat greens here at our house, so the first thing that attracted me to this salad spinner was its large capacity. The stainless steel bowl can hold up to 3.5 liters of salad. That's a lot of salad. This kitchen tool is also really easy to use. You fill the draining basket with your salad or veggies, wash them, then you put it into the stainless steel bowl, secure the lid, and then use this lever to press, which spins the basket, making it almost effortless. There's a silicone base that really helps with keeping the spinner from moving around too much. It's very stable and it stays in one place. I also really love that the lid of the spinner is clear and it helps me keep track of how my lettuce and greens are drying. The salad spinner also comes apart really easily, and you can use the stainless bowl for other cooking needs, which really makes it a nice multi purpose kitchen tool. Overall, I felt like this salad spinner did a really great job of drying my lettuce and veggies, and I would definitely recommend it. I just love my MYTASUY salad spinner. It's durable and really helps me to make a quick salad without having to wait a long time for my lettuce to dry.
And that's my point of view.